How's it going, guys? So I just changed my tires on my Kawasaki Vulcan S. Before I went and got it changed, I really didn't see much online as far as, when you should get them changed or, where to go, what to do. Nothing really outlined the process. So I just want to kind of share what I did, so you guys have a reference when it's time for you to go ahead and change your own tires. So I went ahead and went to Iron Pony. This is a motorcycle shop by my apartment, and they do a good job. It's a pretty reputable place. So I had both my rear and my front tire changed when there was 8,120 miles on the bike, and it was definitely time for them to be changed. I could feel the wear on them, and quite honestly, I think I should have done it a little bit earlier. Probably around the 7,000 mile range is when I really should have had them replaced. Dipping into curves, you can really feel the level change on the tire. So around the outside, the crown was really starting to flatten out, and as I would go into those turns, there's a point then on the tire, and you can feel the slip, and you don't want that. Doesn't feel very good when you're riding, and feels a little sketchy. So if you're experiencing that, it's definitely time to go ahead and get your tires changed. I then followed up with the penny trick. Stick a penny head down, and if your tread hits the bottom of the head or surpasses it, then it's time to go ahead and get those things replaced. So my tread was coming up just over the tip of Abe's head, so another indicator that it was time. And you can tell, it was just, they were looking worn down. So I'll go ahead and run some numbers through here. So I went ahead and I got both of my front and my rear tires changed. I had I put Bridgestones on there. I originally had the OEM Dunlaps on them, just for the record. I put 8,000 miles on the OEM tires that were on there, and I had them changed to Bridgestones. I got the T30 Evo GT 120 70 ZR18 for the front tire, and then I got the T30 Evo 160 60 ZR17 for the rear tire. The guys at the shop said as long as I keep the correct air pressure in those tires, I should be able to get between 10,000 to 15,000 more miles on those. So that's pretty nice. It's a lot more than I was expecting. All right, so let's go over some pricing. The front tire ran me $108.99 just for the cost of the tire itself. The labor and associated fees that went along with that, I got charged with the tire disposal fee, that was $2, tire environmental fee, $1, a valve stem rub, $1.99, and then the labor in order to change it was $96.25, and then add in the price for the tire itself. So that was all just for the front tire. The rear tire, the cost of the tire itself was $135.99, and then the associated fees that went along with it. Tire disposal fee, again, $2, valve stem rub, $1.99, and then tire environmental fee, again, $1. the labor that went along with that, $120 just for the rear. And then on top of that, I got a shop supplies fee of $10.81. So in total, including sales tax at 7.5%, I ended up paying $518.17 to have both my rear and my front tire replaced, and that included the price of the tires. So, you know, for me, I don't have the tools to be able to change tires. So, you know, it was something I needed to get done. I commute on my bike. I just went ahead and done it. So to me, I really had no other choice. You got to take care of them. It's just what you got to do, right? So in all, it took them about 2 hours to go ahead and do that. You know, they shined it up for me at the end too. So it was pretty painless, pretty easy, but I think that's about it. I mean, like I said, I just kind of wanted to give you some my background, and hopefully that helps when it comes time for you to change your own tires and, you know, get some more information. So that's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe. We're going to be doing some more videos here soon. I think I'm going to go on another road trip, so keep an eye out for that one. Also, if you haven't seen my travel video series yet, my motorcycle road trip, go ahead and click the first video. I'll put it in the end card right now.